Struggling with messy bottle sealing, it can be so frustrating trying to get the perfect cap on your bottles without making a mess. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1: Longshuinian Handheld Electric Capping Machine. Let's kick things off with the Longshuinian Handheld Electric Capping Machine. Priced at $95.02, its bright red color caught my eye right away. If you want a budget-friendly solution for sealing bottles tightly, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This machine handles bottle caps with diameters from 10 to 50 and can seal up to 90 bottles per minute. That's a game changer if you're looking to speed up your bottling process. The adjustable torque feature ensures that you won't damage your caps or bottles, which, let's be honest, is a huge worry for anyone who's had a cap break or slip off. Now, some people complained about the fact that it only works for bottle caps without safety gaskets. Here's the thing though, if you're mostly using standard caps, this won't be a deal breaker at all. It's still an efficient tool for everyday sealing tasks. This is perfect for small business owners or hobbyists who need to seal bottles quickly and efficiently. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can handle specialty caps, but for the price, it's a solid value. Now, if the limitations of the Longshuinian bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2: Saladulce Electric Bottle Capping Machine. Next up is the Saladulce Electric Bottle Capping Machine, priced at $158.57. What I really liked about this one is its strong power. It features a copper motor that delivers a torque of up to 70 kg/F. If you want a reliable machine that doesn't hold back, this might be the one for you. With a speed range from 500 to 1000 RPM, you can adjust based on how delicate your caps are. This is huge because it helps you avoid damaging your caps, which can be a nightmare when you're in a rush. Now, some users mention that the adjustment knobs can be a bit stiff at first. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, that little hiccup isn't a deal breaker because the performance is just fantastic. This is perfect for you if you're working with various types of plastic screw caps and need a reliable machine that can keep up with your pace. Skip this one if you mostly use specialty caps, but for the performance to price ratio, it's a winner. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for consistent results. Product number 3: ZONEPACK Manual Electric Bottle Capping Machine. Up next is the ZONEPACK Manual Electric Bottle Capping Machine, which is priced at $125.84. Right off the bat, I appreciated its compact design, which makes it easy to handle. If you want something manageable that still packs a punch, this is worth checking out. The adjustable clutch prevents cap damage. No one wants to open a bottle with a broken cap. The setup is super user-friendly too, so you won't be wasting time figuring out how to use it. However, some folks found it a bit heavier than expected, which may be a concern for prolonged use. But here's the thing: the added weight gives it stability when you're sealing, which is a plus in my book. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable machine for bottling at home or for small-scale production. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra-lightweight, but the value is definitely there. Now, if you're looking for more power, the next one might just blow you away. Product number 4: Saladulce Electric Bottle Capping Machine with Double Torque. Next, we have another option from Saladulce, the Electric Bottle Capping Machine with Double Torque, priced at $146.37. What really impressed me was its powerful capping capability. It offers double the torque compared to other models. This is ideal if you're dealing with stubborn caps. With easy operation and a simple push to seal, you can finish 90 bottles per minute. Plus, it features an ergonomic handle that keeps your wrist comfortable even during long runs. That's so important because nobody wants to end the day with a sore wrist. Some users mention the lack of instructions for adjusting torque. I get it, it can be frustrating. But honestly, once you figure it out, the ease of use really shines through. This is perfect if you're in a production line and need something efficient and user-friendly. Skip this if you want detailed instructions right out of the box, but the performance makes it worth it. Now, for something a bit different, let's check out a pneumatic option that offers unique advantages. Product number 5, Saladulce Pneumatic Bottle Capper. Lastly, we have the Saladulce Pneumatic Bottle Capper priced at $134.18. This machine caught my attention because it operates with air pressure, which means you can use it anywhere without being tethered to an outlet. If you're looking for flexibility, this is an interesting option. With a maximum speed of 2,500 RPM, you can get work done quickly. This is a huge plus if you're working long hours, as it minimizes hand fatigue. However, keep in mind that you'll need an air compressor with a minimum pressure of 5-6 kg/cm3. Some users found this requirement a bit of a downside, as it adds to the initial setup cost. But if you already have an air compressor, this machine is a fantastic choice. This is perfect if you're setting up a mobile bottling line or need to cap bottles in various locations. Skip this if you don't want to invest in an air compressor, but the portability can really pay off. Now, let's summarize these options and help you decide which one might be the best fit for you. So to wrap it up, we've covered 5 great handheld capping machines. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Saladulce electric bottle capping machine with double torque because it balances power and ease of use perfectly. On the flip side, I'd recommend avoiding the Longshunian if you need to use safety gaskets, as it falls short in that area. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.